Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Curious by Eric Bellinger featuring Fabolous and Cordae. And you're going to have a capo on the 6th fret, and really it's just 3 chords. It's in a 4-chord progression, but the 3 chords are A minor 7, E minor 7, and E7, and then on the last chord we're just going to repeat the A minor 7. So this is how you play the chords. Okay guys, so again, capo on the 6th fret, and everything's relative to the capo. So the A minor 7 is going to be the 2nd fret D string and the 1st fret B string. It's going to sound like this. And then the E minor 7 is just the 2nd fret A string, and it's going to sound like this. Okay. And then the E7, it's going to be the 2nd fret A string and the 1st fret G string. It's going to sound like this. Okay, and then that last chord, like I said, we're just going to do the A minor 7 again. Okay, so we got A minor 7, E minor 7, E7, and then back to the A minor 7. Now in terms of the strumming pattern, that's up to you. I'll let you guys decide how to do that. I mean, you could just straight up strum it regularly. You could just pluck the strings if you want to. Or you could play the strings individually. So when you put it together with the lyrics, it's going to sound something like this. You bring me closer. I love when the feeling feel like it's supposed to. You know all my exes will tell you I would've ghosted. It's so sick, I'm one of those kids. Show me love, it be the simple things. You the one, but it's a two-way street. Open up, you say you won't judge me. I can tell that you're curious. So yeah, I think Eric Bellinger, obviously he sings it at an octave higher, but you know, you can mess around with the octaves, you can mess around with you know, I guess even what key you want to play with, you know, whatever works for you and your singing ability. And yeah, that's pretty much how the song goes. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you found this valuable, please go ahead and like the video, leave a comment, and if you want more videos like this, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.